unboxing this engine hoist, or not hoist, stand. That's next. Here on the old Frank and Spank channel. Slap some stickers all over this. Alright. Read the instructions, important. Seems simple enough. So we're prepping for the engine pull on Kiefer's 66 EOF on old Smurf, and we're new to this thing, so yeah, we've got a lot of setting up to do. These bolts 3 lock buffers. Bro, I don't know what bolt 3 is. Grab some tools. Daggone metric, man. Un-American. You know.
Who needs wheels?
Oh man, just got muscles.
That's the save it right there. I got a scooter, you can go down the driveway.
The pliers weren't working. Oh, so close. There she is, the old engine stand.
Instructions. Who needs those?
Till later.
Holy sh**. That is heavy.
What's up,
Spanking, spanking.
didn't say anything about that. Oh, yeah. It shows it without it.
That's my fault. And fucking
Damn.
concrete. When you're assembling your Harbor Freight engine hoist, take this part out for installing the boom.
I think it's this one.
The bottom.
Oh. Yeah. This one. That's a big one right there. Shit. Round number 4?
Yeah. Sorry guys, trial and error.
Yeah, I should have just got that impact gun at this point. But, you know. Whatever. It is what it is. They got over it. Try that bad. It's gonna be too small. I can still kind of see how many get
Around
to
it,
that.
yeah. We're doing a little makeshift washer stuff here because we somehow mislocated the bigger washer. Don't forget your PPE, iPro, and your gloves.
Safety last, first.
First, yeah, that's right.
Some mobile vice. No
Sir.
need to bolt her down.
Back at it again. Sorry, battery died.
Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, bud.
I mean, hydraulic fluid.
Hydraulic air.
That's all she wrote.
Instructions. Who needs instructions? Oh yeah. Damn.
She mobile. Crank and Spank here. We're on a outing. Get this hoist complete so we can start the pool on the F1. So take a trip to Harbor Freight any day.
Hell yeah. Sponsor us.
Harbor Freight, please.